welcome back to this,
that,
And the...
other side.
I'm Emma,
I'm Amelia. I'm Dominik.
And I'm Jen.
and in this video we have another MunchPak box. This is, I think, our third or fourth box now. We love MunchPak, so let's get right into it.
Yeah.
Ooh, straw! We didn't get a straw last time.
Ooh, we've got some kind of cola here.
Ooh. Oh, don't shake it. Soda. The last one we knew a lot of the brands. I don't think I know any of these. Maybe Dom should go first. You want to go first? Okay, what's this? Fritzy, Extreme Z, Blue Raspberry or Strawberry. We got the Blue Raspberry. I hope you can see that. And this is from Thailand.
Mmm, that's delicious.
Wow, that's actually really good.
It tastes like it's got mango in it. If you like sour, that's pretty good.
Pepero Nude Chocolate. South Korea. Chocolate. I don't like chocolate. Dominik loves chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate.
Food.
Oh, why would you open it like that?
I don't know.
Dude, look at how she just opened the bag.
She doesn't plan on eating it again.
I don't. They look like straws.
It looks kind of like a pretzel.
It looks like a straw.
Mmm. It's light. Not too much chocolate.
Yeah.
I like it.
I tried it. Did you already eat that whole one? Wow.
Emma,
What?
when you go, can I try one of these?
You can try it on your next turn.
Yeah.
How about that? I want to try these yummy, yummy silly straws.
They're good.
That's good, isn't it?
That's what it looks like.
And it is egg-free, peanut-free, and low sodium.
Wow.
100% yummy.
Delicious, gummy, silly straws made with real fruit.
We have different colors.
is
Looks
so
like it has
cute.
cream in it.
It's good.
Refreshing apple, sweet berry, and sour lemon. I want this blue one.
Sour lemon.
Mmm.
This, wow,
Got
this
a little
is
kick
really
to it.
good.
Wait, it tastes like juice. This green one tastes like
Ooh, the inside makes it sweet though.
Yeah.
It's like a sweet
This is
and
already
sour.
my favorite.
like a sugar straw.
That was nice.
Yeah, this is really good.
My turn. I want to try these Evil Eye New Orleans style, kale style chips.
What is that?
From the United States. Get a taste of New Orleans with Zapp's Evil Eye chips.
They look like they're spicy. Holy smoke. Oh, it says Evil Eye.
I don't know.
I don't like spicy things. Is it spicy?
It tastes like a sweet barbecue.
That's not
Okay.
spicy, but it's good.
Dominik's up
Dominik's
next.
turn.
What's that? Watermelon slices. And they are from the U.S.
They're from Spain.
Oh, it
They
says...
could be made in the U.S.
Yep, New York. And then it says in Spain by Vital something.
Vital watermelon slices. Oh, they're so cute.
They smell nice.
They're kind of cute.
It looks like a real one.
Oh, wow, that's really good.
Not really a fan of that one.
It's so,
Really?
It's so
It's
spicy.
super sweet.
This one.
I don't know what it is.
That one.
It's from Ireland. Tato. Smoky bacon flavor.
It's like a little like 1%.
Wow, it really tastes like bacon.
Tastes like bacon grease.
Oh, they did.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
It was okay.
It was okay. It's
Tastes
just,
like
I
bacon
wouldn't.
grease.
It's my turn.
That was crazy, right?
That was so crazy. Ooh, honey vanilla. Okay. Double Dutch. It's like a cracker wafer thing. Double Dutch honey vanilla stroop waffles.
There's one cookie in there. Cookie, there's one cookie in there.
One big cookie.
Perfectly sweet flavor of... Dumb. Perfectly sweet flavor of honey and vanilla combined beautifully with the crisp waffle cookie.
Looks like a waffle.
Looks like a waffle.
It's like a tiny waffle. Is it
Ooh.
dripping? It's like a tiny waffle.
Yeah. Wow.
Is it good?
That's good, yeah.
It's squishy.
Okay, I'm up next, and I am
The
going to choose
bluer
this one,
taste-
which is
Crown Maichu apple. It's from South Korea. Every bite is like eating a slice of a refreshing, juicy apple. You won't be able to get enough. These really do look like the Haichus.
Uh-oh.
it's like taffy.
Yeah, I don't know if Amelia should be having it.
It does taste like an apple though.
It's really hard to chew.
Almost tastes a little bit of banana.
Where are these tastes coming from? You keep saying something like weird. It tastes like there's mango in this blue raspberry.
That's a
Good
package.
job. Oh no. Now you got another package.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Dominator.
Nice.
Which one? That one?
Nucita Neapolitan
It's a
cookies. It's from Costa Rica.
Oh, look, there's little smiley faces on them. I don't know if you can see them or not.
It's cool.
Chocolate, vanilla, and then the
hope you can
strawberry
see
filling.
And the other.
Wait, it looks like an Oreo.
I'll take the broken one.
It kind of does look like an Oreo.
Mmm,
It's strawberry.
that wasn't bad.
Was it good? Okay, Amelia's turn.
Chick Chack.
Chick Chack everything flavor. It's from Israel. Deliciously crunchy, salty, everything bagel-inspired snack.
I thought for sure it was going to be something spicy.
It looks
but,
like
you know,
it might be spicy.
I think it's barbecue.
It's everything. I don't really know what it tastes like.
I know.
All right, and the last one, the soda.
Soda.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Earn Brew. It's from the United Kingdom. A deliciously light carbonated cream soda. I love cream soda. With real fresh citrus fruit flavors. It's clear why this is such a popular drink in Scotland. What are you doing?
Licking it.
Let's try this with this big straw.
Is that those
Don't we have another one of them?
We do.
Is it light and refreshing?
That sounds fizzy.
Probably be better for a cold.
Yeah, it probably would be. I don't know. I didn't get that much flavor though.
It has a vanilla
Cream
taste,
soda.
but it also has a cola taste to it. Not
Yeah, I
just-
don't really know. I don't.
It's supposed to be cream
It's supposed
soda.
to be cream soda.
you
I
like
I
to
mean,
try
I
it?
taste a hint of
What
it.
kind is it?
Cream. Do you want to try it?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
So my favorite was the apple candies.
Yeah, those are good. My favorite. These were my favorite. The silly straws.
These things.
These things. Yeah, these are my favorite.
What was your favorite, Amelia?
This thingy.
The vanilla honey cookie. And Dominic, what was your
Waffle cookie
favorite?
thing.
Those are your favorites
Those
too?
are your favorite?
Yeah.
Aw. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like.
Comment down below what you'd like to see next.
Share and subscribe if you haven't already.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Took a few.